Oh my gosh, she's hot. Okay, we gotta move fast, it seems. Hello, I'm May, and today I'm gonna be recreating one of America's favorite breakfast sandwiches, the sausage egg McMuffin, but make it plant-based. Look at her, perfection. Also, surprise! I'm bringing in my friend Mimi, who used to work at McDonald's. So we're gonna have her try both and see if she can tell the difference between the McDonald's version and my version. I was a McDonald's kid growing up. I would have died, I swear, to have one of these every morning. Everything goes together so perfectly. The melty cheese, the sausage, the kind of suspiciously round egg. It's just the perfect breakfast. So as we all know, the McDonald's version is definitely processed. And to recreate that flavor in the vegan one, I'm gonna be using products that are already available at the supermarket. I bought a few different options for each ingredient, and I'm gonna be testing them out to try and figure out which one is closest to the real McMuffin. I wanted to recreate the original McMuffin, which is with Canadian bacon, but there are simply not that many vegan options for Canadian bacon. So we're going with sausage. So this is the Impossible sausage, which is a classic. Looks kind of sus right now, but it won't soon. And then we have this sausage, which is the Light Life sausage. For the white part of the egg, I'm gonna be using tofu. Paired with this, we're gonna also use JUSTEGG. When it comes to the cheese, I have two different options, and as you can see, they're a little bit different. I really need that classic melted cheese look over my sausage. I'm gonna try both of them, we'll see which one works best. I know McDonald's breakfast sausage has a little bit of sweet, a little bit of savory, and I wanna try and recreate that flavor, so I'm gonna be using a little bit of maple syrup, along with a little bit of sage and some salt and pepper. We're gonna mix those all up, make them into little balls, shape them, and then, I don't know, we're gonna see how it works. I know that this is all vegan, but it is still giving raw meat. So I don't really wanna touch that. I'm gonna put on some gloves. Oh gosh. Please hold. I cannot get this on my finger. Oh, there you go, done. All right, let's do this. Just really get in there, you know, gotta get all that flavor. It smells kind of good, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that's mixed. I don't know. We're going one glove on, one glove off because I didn't want to get the rest of my stuff dirty. This is sufficiently mixed. I thought it might be smart to take another look at our good friend here, and I'm realizing the sausage in this thing is so thin. I'm gonna now shape it into this egg ring. Fun fact, these steel egg rings were literally made just for McDonald's, like for this purpose. I'm a chef, hire me, please. Smells kind of weird, honestly, but that's fine. Okay, one down, one to go. Switching my gloves. No cross-contamination here. Okay, so same thing. We've got the sausage there. Yum. Ooh, that feels just terrible. I'm using MIYOKOS butter to grease this pan. I feel not confident about this one, but it's gonna be good. Nope, no, it's bad. It's bad, I need to redo it. Oh my God, she broke. So one thing to note now, not stable. Okay, actually though, it doesn't look that bad. That's fine. Now we gotta put the other one in. Much easier way would be this. Really glad I figured that out. What a whirlwind that was. This one looks like a burger. So, Big Mac taste test. Like I said, I used MIYOKOS butter because it is objectively the best vegan butter that is out there, and I think it'll add some nice flavor, which these might need. I see some browning. Okay. Wait, this one is so good. Oh, my little patty's doing so well in there. I think they're done. This is like, come on. That is so good. Oh. So obviously this one broke, but it's okay. We're not actually testing it for looks yet. This is just the taste test to see which is better. And if this one wins, I'll remake it and make sure I am a little more careful. So I tested a lot of different ways to figure this egg out. I've come to the conclusion firm tofu has the closest consistency to the actual egg of the McMuffin, but it doesn't have the color. So I'm gonna use that for the white, and then we're gonna just have like a little dollop of just egg for the yolk. So it's actually pretty simple. I took the block of tofu and cut it into 4s, and it gives us roughly the thickness of the egg. I'm gonna try this one first. I'm gonna use my trusty egg ring to just punch it out like a little cookie cutter. Oh my God, look at this perfect little circle. Maybe I shouldn't hold it. I don't wanna break it. I don't want another impossible meat situation. Oh, This is black salt. This really does give it a good eggy flavor if you don't overpower it. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of pepper to this. Honestly though, does McDonald's even season their eggs? Controversial. We're gonna use this butter again. I'm gonna have to move quick since I'm making 2 at once. Her on deck. It's go time. I'm just putting the just egg in here for a little yolk-sized amount. That feels right. And now put this on top. Okay, and now we wait. I thought there might be a little spillage, and I do see a little bit already, so if I see that, I'm just gonna push her in a little bit. I'm gonna flip it. Okay, okay. But I feel like that yolk is kind of good. Is that enough? Oh my God. Okay, that's fine. That's what we have the spatula for. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is too fast paced for me. Get some egg in there, that's better. Now we just need to push this over so we keep that roundness. Things are looking up. It was a little rough. Okay, it came off. No, go back on. More just egg. This is not it for me. It's all coming off. I know I'm complaining about the spillage, but honestly, this one kind of has yolk vibes. It's giving yolk. This feels dangerous. Oh, okay, success. I know it's not perfect, but like this whole section, eggs do that, so. It is the final part of cooking, and all we're doing now is buttering the muffins and then adding the cheese and assembling. So we're gonna put the cheese on the bottom. That is also crucial. Let's butter these muffins with our trusty MIYOKOS butter. Plus, who doesn't love butter, you know? The only real difference in the cheese right now that I'm noticing is that they're different colors. I think it's really gonna be about taste and if it melts. And now we know we need that melty flavor, so we're gonna put them in the toaster oven. So I'm gonna put Light Life here. I'm gonna try and put the Impossible sausage as best as I can. The Impossible sausage does have this factor against it, and it's one that is good to consider. So that feels like as complete as it's gonna get. And then our little eggs. Ah, wow. Buttered muffin on top. Wow, there it is. That looks really good. I mean, both of these are pretty good. Let's do a side by side. The ratio of cheese is a little bit very off, but wow, I'm really impressed. The egg and the sausage are both perfect. The first one that I'm trying is the 365 cheese, the Light Life sausage, and our little tofu egg. I wanna try the cheese on its own first. I don't know. Something about it feels a little bit off. Maybe with everything else it will taste better though. I'm kind of speechless. This is so good. The sausage, I think if you gave me the sausage, I would not know that it was vegan. I'm realizing like the egg, it's not really the star of the show, so like this being tofu doesn't feel like it matters that much. I'm gonna take one bite of this one. I hate the sausage. I don't hate it as a sausage on its own. For this, it is really honestly very wrong. This tastes like, seriously, like just American cheese. Oh my God. Knowing what I know now, I'm going to reassemble using the VIOLIFE cheese and the Light Life sausage. Okay, we've made it here. We have McDonald's version and my version. I feel like it's pretty close. All there's left to do is bring in Nini, the final test. So before we get into the taste test, I just have a couple questions, just background, you know? So you worked at McDonald's.
I did. I worked there for 5 years. I was actually a manager. Made sure we made a lot of egg muffins.
Yeah, so she's experienced.
That was popular.
What can you tell me about the McMuffin?
It's delicious, that's for one. Everything blends so well together.
So we're gonna be testing out 2 different McMuffins.
Okay.
You're gonna have to tell me which one is real and which one is my version.
Okay.
Do you think you'll be able to tell?
I think I will be able to tell. Okay,
Good,
I'm gonna try this one first. It is good. I got this one down. This is really good.
Okay, thoughts.
I think this is the real one.
Okay.
There's a taste in the
In
muffin.
the English muffin? The English muffin is the thing?
There's a flavor I'm tasting.
Huh.
But it looks very flavorful though. It's really good. It has a kick to it.
Okay, and like it being
It's so good.
plant-based?
Oh, what's
Wait, did you know? Yeah, this is vegan.
This is really good. And I'm a huge carnivore, so like this is wow.
Wait, stop. Wow, I feel so good that you didn't realize
No,
it.
I didn't.
Even though you could obviously tell the difference, and I can as well, I and like this one more, so I think that the plant-based one is at least good enough to be a sub for the real thing.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm still shocked about this.
There's no reason for it to be that good.